Point of order, Speaker. Which issue? And I thought if it is about the commission, health, what is your opinion, nominee minister? If you say consultative, what is your opinion as a leader? You support, you don't support, even before you do consultation. What is your input? What is your mind? Yeah, yes. you are running away from being personal.
Yes.
We want to get your suitability, you, not a group, but you. Thank you, Speaker.
Go ahead.
So
the question is, if you are confirmed,
yes,
will you support the creation of the National Health Service Commission? There is some doctor somewhere sending this to all of us.
As part,
ask you.
Thank you, Honorable Chair, and thank you, Honorable Members. As part of the doctors' fraternity, I support the National Health Service Commission. Thank you.
Go ahead, Mary. Eh?
The one for level 4 and 5 to move. I'll help you to ask.
The level 4 and 5, Honorable Dawood, I believe that it's critical.
To refer to the interviewee, even as minister, she has no capacity in law to lift level 4 and 5 from the counties to the national government. It must be a legislation and an agreement between the two levels of government to transfer. So even her opinion here will be relevant. Mary Mase.
Thank you, Chairman. Dr. Deborah, I put it to you that for you to be able to realize your policy objectives, you must have adequate or sufficient financing. But when you look at the Ministry of Health, and especially health research, it remains significantly underfunded. And when you look at the budget of the ministry, there is notable dependency on donor